What?
I said, what was that?
Oh, what are you talking about?
I couldn't hear.
He said turkey gobbler, blue.
Huh? Where was? I ain't hear that, sir.
Oh.
I said, what was that? I heard a weird noise. I heard him again.
Didn't I? Did it gobble, okay?
I think it's my stomach.
Huh?
They close.
Head gobbling on.
Look down that tree.
Hey, in the field. Get ready. Go get ready.
Yeah, let's see what they do. She's close. Luke, be careful.
In the field.
You see the gobble?
I heard it.
I seen him. I don't know where he went now. There they are.
I'm not gonna say this. Alright. Put your hands and go as you do.
They're not that far. They're not that far. They come and they follow them. Quit moving. Who, the gobblers? Oh yeah. You tell him when to kill him. But they're committed. Yeah, ain't no sense in calling no more. Okay, can you kill that strutter? Kill the strutter. Hold on. Kill the strutter, okay? Kill him! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Garrett, kill him, Garrett. Go get him, go get him, go get him. Gotta go get him, hit him. I don't believe we got him though. Okay, get your turkey, buddy. That's what I'm talking about.
Do it, son. I had to turn around the tree. I thought he was going to run. I cheated out around the tree.
Oh, look, when it plan come together, baby, I swear.
Garrett rolled over and he done got up. Step on
I
it.
really didn't want to shoot that one. It was kind of close. Like, I was having to shoot my cage and stuff.
Well,
We did it, boy.
step on his head.
Put your hand on his head. Step on his head.
What do you think?
I love it. I watched these birds. Thursday morning I came. 5 of them in the field. We got quite discouraged off the roost. But a lot of calling, being aggressive. Got these early season birds dead. You got some good birds? All right, guys. Been a long time coming. Best time of year here. Been waiting on it. Been 11 months since we got to do this. Got to see one die. And brand new season this year, 2020. And I'm telling you, we off to a great start. I'm talking about we rolling this morning. Look here. Woo, show us what you got there, Cave, man. Man, I tell you, I come and look for these birds here. Thursday morning, I was scouting. I was putting in the time. And I had to find some birds, you know. I never got here on the roost to hear them, so I went to check some other spot. But I got you in, oh, got a gnat. Man, these more bugs out here, and you know what to do with. Anyway, got out here and we got after some birds, and heard some birds, you know, this morning on the roost. They way off. I'm getting a little discouraged, but I'm telling you, it's where patience, time, and knowing where to be and when to be there, pattern in a turkey comes in play. I tell you, this turkey right here is the doo-doo bird. What we gonna call this turkey doo-doo bird? Cause you know why? Cause this man had a dookie twice this morning. He said, "My stomach's hurting. Yeah, my stomach's hurting." Hey, this man went. He ain't had no toilet paper. I gave him toilet paper out my vest, cause I promise you, I've been there every time I hunt. So I hand this man the toilet paper. He goes in there, uses the bathroom. Hey, comes back out here and birds start gobbling. He said, "Oh, gotta go back to the bathroom." Hey, we ain't had no toilet paper. This man used the same toilet paper he done white with on the ground. You can see it in there. You see the toilet paper that's on the ground in there. He used the same toilet paper twice. This man nasty, but this is the doo-doo bird. Hey, because he got doo-doo on his gloves. What you got to say, Kyle? What you got to say, man?
I'm just glad he hit the turkey.
Yeah.
Yeah, we was on a little streak there. We wasn't hitting turkeys real good, but we hit one this morning.
Yeah, we hit one, but I'm telling you, Garrett did not.
Oh.
That man, Garrett, did not hit one. He missed. 2 of them come in. KQ his. I swear, that man just like a golf. He can't hit nothing. Hey, but I tell y'all, we had a good time. You know, them calls, Kyle, they something serious, man. They serious. I ain't lying.
Well,
You know, I got a kill video, and we got one on video with the big camera, and I'm sure it'll be up for long. So you get to hear some good calling and a bunch of gobbling, and watch a bad shooting clinic by yours truly here, and watch the story of how the doo-doo bird unfolds from my man Cade right here. Wiped his butt barehanded.
I cannot.
Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Thank you, Lord. Y'all have a blessed year.